There's two important things you need to have to be a successful freelancer. And one is to be continuously evolving. The second is to have a network that knows you, shouts your name, that refers you, that's cheering you on and supporting you when you go down, because you don't want to go down and stay out of the game. And you're all going to hit those rock bottom moments. You're going to come against tech troubleshooting. You're going to have difficult clients, and you're going to need a support group that gets it, that can help encourage you and lift you up and help you to keep going. So that's why this digital marketers work group I've created is this community of fellow virtual assistants, marketing assistants, creative specialists, marketing managers who are doing the work, who are in the trenches every day, because it's too much for one person to have to keep up to date with everything, because everything's changing so much. Just like, look what's happening with AI right now. And you have to be able to evolve and adapt in the marketing space and to be relevant and to be competitive. And this will elevate you, help you get into better client pools, like higher paying clients, niche down services when you're paying attention to strategy and what's actually working. So let me just walk you through what's inside the digital marketers work group so you can get a picture, figure out if this is right for you, if this is a community for you. First off, when you log in, you'll come here. It's through Kajabi. You'll have all of your tech trainings and resources will be here. So you'll fill out your name and your email here. And then once you log in, you are going to see the digital marketers work group. So let me show you what this looks like front facing. We start with a welcome video, of course, all the kinds of things you need to know, but your core business. This is content that will help you scale and improve what you already have. You're coming to the work group already signed up, already having a booking link, already having a social media presence on one platform or another, perhaps hopefully having a website or something very close like a portfolio. And so the core content is going to help you with your business, because it's always a process, right? Where we're constantly refining our own messaging, we're gaining clarity in the clients we work well with, the services we want to do, and all of that. So here we have different lessons about social media for yourself, how to write an outreach email, because we're posting very hot, warm leads who want marketing help. And this is all you have to do is email them back, but you need to do it in a certain way that's professional. We have trainings on standing out and getting hired and going through this discovery call process. We have trainings about VIP days with Sarah Massey, setting up boundaries, how to really scale and be more efficient, and your freelancer website, building an agency with Rachel Mazza. We have more about LinkedIn and booking discovery calls from the DM, ClickUp, client onboarding, and bookkeeping 101. But this is not a course. This is here to help you fill in the gaps that you may have, right? From whatever training you're coming from before, or helping you just refine what you've already built. So then we get into the marketers resources, and this is your toolbox of hacks, tech updates, other insightful things. We're always adding new trainings. We are talking to other work group members. We're inviting them to do peer-led trainings. We're bringing in outside guest experts. I do techie trainings, and we have tools to help you step in the role with marketing, including marketing manager resources, templates, Google Docs, calendars. We have techie tricks, what's working, what's not working, how you can really jazz up the marketing assets you already have for your clients and really wow them and cement yourself as an indispensable unicorn. We have launch support. You can rewatch our marketers roundtable about launch management. And this sucker includes so many launch downloads and timelines and checklists that you need to fill this role. It will help you turn into a launch manager without having to take a $5,000 course. Everything you need is here. We also have live webinar support so you can help with launches and little ways that you can improve show up sequences and online summit support. Then we get into podcast management. This is a really good niche for a lot of our digital marketing assistants. You can learn how to do that here, including pitching your clients, tapping into some of my PR skills, how to design speakers sheets and media kits. And then we get into the copywriting and content marketing. They kind of go hand in hand here. We have great trainings with Tamika OY, Kim Keel, Swipe Copy, case studies, all these services you could offer and start stepping into the role of a content marketer. Maybe you don't feel ready to call yourself a copywriter, but you know you're doing some of this work. We have email marketing techie tools, including ConvertKit. We have graphic design, little tips and tricks, a sales page design. WordPress tutorials. Oh my gosh, so much. Kajabi, things you need to know about Kajabi. We have some Facebook ads, Instagram, and YouTube, and we have more trainings coming all the time. It's so amazing here to just see, like, here's the Kajabi walkthrough. You can come in here. It's a 30-minute training. You can get up to speed on Kajabi really quick. This allows you to say yes to clients even if you haven't done the work before, because it's powerful when you can say, Emily Reagan's in my back pocket. She might not be the best public speaker though, right? An entire community of other freelancers who collectively will help source and troubleshoot for you, which just the other week I was working on a funnel and I got stuck with something with Aweber, and one of our own members got on a Zoom call with me and helped me out. That's what I'm talking about. And you can tell this client, yes, I have a community, I have resources, I have training. You also have Google, you have YouTube. There's plenty of other Facebook groups to source too, but you're instilling confidence so you can say yes to the services you want to. So you can gain experience and clarity and figure out what is core service that ultimately I'm going to niche down in and really make good money with. This is your community to get started. And this is what it looks like inside our Facebook group. We have everything, although you're seeing the admin side of things here, we have everything arranged in these guides. So you can find all of the job ops. Facebook is going very slow recently. So we have our resources, we have tips and tricks and tools that we're sharing. And then we have a ton of jobs. We have shared over 1,700 jobs. And for the majority of this time, this group has been only 50 people. So do the math there. There is so much freaking work. It's abundant amount of work. You don't need to be desperate. You don't need to say yes to clients that you don't love. You don't need to say yes to poor hourly wages and project rates. You are going to be able to really get to the promised freelancer land through the way of the work group. It's going to help you get there. All the nutrients, supplements, watering holes, shade from the sun that you need as you cross this oasis of being a freelance business, a brand new business owner, running your own business, where it's tricky because you're serving clients, you're an independent contractor, but you also are the CEO of your business. It's hard to juggle it all. So we're here for you. If you have any questions about the Digital Marketers Work Group, let me know. We only open a few times a year. We have closed and open enrollments. So make sure that you have applied so you will get notified. I cannot wait to refer you. I cannot wait to support you. And I want the best for you. I want you to live your dream. I want you to have the full job satisfaction, love the work you do, work for the people you want to work with, doing the things you want to do, and making good money, all while setting your schedule. Yes, it sounds like too good to be true. It takes a while to get there. But as a mom of four, I'm a testament to this. You can do it. You can have it all. You deserve it. I hope I see you inside.